biggest operational pain point to look for another system was our audits. We are a company that's ripening and packaging cheese, and we export this product all over the world. Before we had AG5, we had a big Excel sheet with all skills, qualities. Yeah, it was a lot of work and uploading, especially with audits. It was a hard way to find people, and it took a long time to open this Excel. So that's why we looked at other systems. Biggest operational pain point to look for another system was our audits. We wanted to show in the audit that we were well qualified, that we had well qualified employees. And we looked for a system that could show that immediately within our conversation with an auditor. AG5 gives us a good overview of all the skills, not only us but also the managers, so they can see for themselves what kind of skills people need to do. So that gives them also a responsibility to see what's happening on their department. We use the Insights at AG5, and Insights gives an overview of where they stand with their skills. My experience now is that it's a really simple system. Every time we have a question and we want to improve something, AG5 has a solution or has a solution in the future. Every time we have a monthly session with AG5, and when we have questions, we can ask them. Helps us to improve working with AG5.